So I'm recording this in GoPro 12 and I'm trying to go into a pitch black area where I can get the actual quality of this. So I'll also paste the screenshot of what exactly the settings I'm using. So the high level, the thing is the auto boost, right, the stabilization, that is off because I like to keep it raw. So yeah, I think this situation would be good, where I can see it's completely black, completely dark, just some red lights. Overall, I'm really happy with this camera considering the quality, but I know there are mixed opinions between DJI and this thing, Insta-Ace Pro. Yeah, so that is there as well. Insta-Ace Pro is really good. I have like shot one video from it. One of my friends has that. It's nice in low light. The sharpness and the crispiness is way better in that as compared to this. So the thing is, with these action cameras, right, we need to be very precise with the settings. But I'll also share you the exactly this thing, the helmet setup, how I am mounting this. Guys, today is Sunday and this line is for Abu Dhabi. Let's quickly go on the highway and I'll show you the results which I get on the highway with kind of balanced lighting right now in the streets, right? And for those who don't know, I live in Dubai and I'm recording all these videos from Dubai itself. But keep an eye on the quality of this GoPro 12. Guys, few more seconds and we'll be on the highway soon. Just bear with me. Meantime, you enjoy the ride. Let me know the feedback. Yeah, for those who don't know, I'm riding Ninja ZX-10R 2024 variant, Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. This is a 1000cc hyper sports bike with 203 horses. Meantime, you enjoy the ride. Yes. And in case if you're wondering why I'm not speeding up, so guys, as I said before, I ride in Dubai and the rules are so strict here. You cannot speed. There are a lot of speed cameras, like every 200-300 meters you'll find a speed camera, so that's why I'm not speeding. So guys, we are just nearby to the highway. Just bear with me for like less than 30 seconds and we'll be on the main Sheikh Zayed road. Yeah, that road you see, that one is the Sheikh Zayed road, and this is going towards Abu Dhabi. Okay, so that is my Insta360 recording me this way, and right now I'm recording with this GoPro 12 with the mic inbuilt, this Aston Martin guy. Yeah, so we are on Sheikh Zayed road. Today is so crowded, man, because it's Sunday, right, and everyone is going to Abu Dhabi from Dubai. This is the usual case. Like every Friday people come to Dubai to chill and then they go back because tomorrow is Monday and everyone has a work day, right? The speed limit of this road is 140, so that's why I'm cruising at 138. I put a cruise control, and just for your reference, I'll show you the camera, the speed camera. Just a moment, it will be there because there are a lot is speed camera. So okay, coming back to the point, GoPro 12, how's the setting, was the camera setting. Right now I'm recording in 4K 60 FPS. The wide view, I think the widest view we can get, I'm recording in that. And mic is being the audio is being recorded from an external mic of Rode, which I'm using, which is fitted in my helmet. And that's why the quality is nice. And I think there will be a wind noise as well, because I'm cruising at 130, at nearly 140, right? So imagine the wind noise I'm facing. Fuck, my t-shirt is just flying up. So everything is being recorded from GoPro 12, and you can see the quality. That is my Insta360, just to get the 360 view of everything around the ride. I generally record everything just in case if I have some good clips. And by the way, in case if you are not following me on Instagram, you should, because I'm posting really cool content around bike and all that, Adrenaline Rush. So consider following that. My username is mohitsony.me. Again, one more camera. So yeah, I told you, right, every 200-300 meters there's a speed camera. Keep an eye on your speed. So you can't speed. You know the roads are good and everything is perfect, but you can't speed because of the cameras. You'll get a fine of 600 dirham, which is like a huge chunk of monthly earnings you do. And the cops are so active here, man. So active, you can't escape. Yeah, I think that's enough of a review of this GoPro, like the samples which I wanted to attach. So these are the samples, you can see. So this is how in the night. Mainly the problem with the cameras are like low. How's the low light performance? That's the main concern of the people, right? So that's why I dedicated this video to this only. Nothing else, just this. I think it's a good time to end the video, and we'll see you later on the next video, where I'll review some other stuff related to moto vlogging or cameras or bikes and all that. Consider subscribing if you have.